enhanced battery life, and charging solutions. One of the biggest limitations for drones has always been their battery life, but in 2024 this is set to change dramatically. Thanks to innovations in solid-state batteries and solar-powered systems, drones will be able to stay airborne for hours, transforming industries like agriculture. With these improvements, drones can monitor crops continuously, vastly reducing the need for constant recharges. Additionally, new charging technologies such as wireless and rapid charging stations are on the horizon. Imagine a network of charging pads across cities or fields where drones can land, recharge quickly, and get back to work. This will revolutionize sectors that rely on continuous drone activity, like logistics and surveillance, making nearly non-stop operations possible. Solar-powered drones are also becoming more viable, with lightweight solar panels allowing drones to harness the sun's energy during flight. This is especially useful for large-scale tasks like environmental monitoring or wildlife tracking in remote areas. With these advancements, drones will not only fly longer but will also take on more complex missions with enhanced autonomy, reliability, and efficiency. The future of drones is brighter and more versatile than ever before.